everyone, it's me Lydia again. How are you today? So, how do you think about the online Canton Fair? So today I'm going to start in a different way. I'm going to start from the outside of our warehouse or our showroom. Now I'm standing in the front gate of our factory. So now I'm standing in front of the little like the ground grass ground here. It's really beautiful here. So our factory is not only the professional manufacturer, but we also care about the environmental. So I'm going to move forward and show you more about our factory. Just to kind of remind, it's really large, and so today is a little bit windy and cloudy, but never mind, it totally won't affect my mood. So just keep forward. And our factory is very large. It probably takes like 30 minutes to walk from the inside from this building to another building. And now on my right side is our office building. Actually, I have to tell you that our factory is still under construction now. So as you can see, this office building is still building now. I guess before the end of this year, which is 2020, we probably will finish moving all the office here. And in the front of this office floor, we also have these three floors building. This building, I guess, is going to be set as the oven workshop. And let's turn around and walk slowly. And now I'm going to cross the tunnel, the little tunnel here. So between these two tunnels, the left side is our spiral mixer building, and another one is our planetary mixer building. But as I keep mentioning that our factory is still under construction, and we just finished moving our planetary mixers production line here. And now I'm going to enter in another door, and the door is in front. As you can just have a basic look about our door. The first floor door, I'm not sure if you can check the size, the height of this door, but it's really tall because our building is really high and with large square meters. And now I'm going to enter in the first floor of our planetary mixer building. So I just close the door firstly. And now I'm entering our first floor of the planetary mixer building. And we just crossed our gear area. We are professional manufacturer to produce 90% of the spare parts of each product. As we keep promise you that we always produce the spare parts by ourselves. And now we just cross the lathe area. Lathe area is going to deal with the gear set of the planetary mixers. And as you can see, on my both sides, the left side is like the top head of the planetary mixer. On my right side is going to deal with all these spare parts. And let's just cross this drilling area. Let's cross this drilling area to have a quick look about our equipment. So there are total 13 equipment like this to deal with these spare parts. Drilling means that we need to make sure the gear set, the iron casting set was drilled with balance. And you can also see here, we have the top height. These top heights of planetary mixers are produced by our first generation factory. Our first generation factory is very professional to produce the iron casting or the machine body. So after the first generation factory produced this iron casting machine body, then these spare parts were sent to our third generation factory. And this is our horizontal machining area. So as you have a basic look about our first floor, I have to tell you that each floor has the area about 6,000 square meters. 6,000 square meters. And our whole factory covers around 100,000 square meters. 100,000 square meters. I keep telling you that our factory is really large, and you totally can't imagine from the phone, from the live show, to check the real size about our factory. So after this horrible situation like the coronavirus situation now, I really hope you guys can come to our factory and to have a real look about our factory. And I just crossed the first floor of our planetary mixers building. So this is just the first floor. We totally have 3 floors for each building. And for our factory, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buildings. We have 7 buildings like this to make all the products for our customers. And after I cross the first floor of our planetary mixer building, how do you think about our factory? And if you want to check out more details, please remember to email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn. And if you have a quick look about here, this is our area for loading the container. Sorry, we need to avoid the car is going to coming out. And this is like the container for us to load. After we finish all these products, we are going to load the products here in this area. And you can see how huge and how tall of these 2 buildings. And now I'm going to tell you on my right side is our warehouse. But I just keep reminding that our factory is still under construction, and now we haven't moved all of the production lines and area to our third generation factory. So this building is still empty. But this building, we are going to set it as our warehouse. If you feel interested about our factory, please remember to email us. We are Golden Chef Machinery, and please email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn. kitchen@goldenchef.cn. On my left side is our canteen and the apartment for our workers to rest. Actually, we have the hotel here. So if our customers from different countries come to our factory, they can totally rest here and spend their nights here. It's very quiet in the evening, especially we have the special pond for our customers. And I will keep walking to show you around our little pond. The pond here is really large. And actually, our workers will rest here, and at the weekend, they can go fishing here. And if you feel interested about our factory, if you want to have the chance to come here, you can totally go fishing here. I just want to take you have a quick look about our pleasure area. Wow, my little assistant just sent me the flower, and this little braid just came out from our oven. If you keep following our live shows, you probably find that we have so many different products, and this braid just baked it from our oven, machine. If you want to check out more details about our factory, please remember to email us. This is not only a small pond, but we also have so many fishes underneath the water. So I'm going to feed them every morning. But feed them is not my special job. I just want to show you guys here about how we have the race time. Bye bye, flower. Bye bye. And after I throw these little pieces of bread inside the pool, the fish will come and eat it to finish her daily lunch or dinner. So I just throw the last two pieces. Okay, so let's just carry on. Just for you to check our pleasure area, I also want to take you guys to our third floor, our production line. Just have a quick look of this green ground. It's really beautiful. We have so many trees here, and the beautiful green grass, and little and small flower here. As I told you, we are still under construction now because we haven't finished moving all the apartment here. I think we probably will finish moving and finish construction at the end of 2020. So for the next year, like 2021, I guess you probably can come to our factory. You can enjoy your time here, not only for checking our machine, checking our equipment or production lines, but you can also come here to our little pond to have your pleasure time. And I need my little assistant to remind what's the time is it now? So it's probably like 15 minutes from the gate to our pond. But I haven't take you to our office to go around. So our factory is really large. Just from the gate to the pond will take 15 minutes. 15 minutes. It's really large. We just walk the half size of our factory. And take the left side is our warehouse. This warehouse is going to put in some spare parts inside. These spare parts probably comes out from our first generation factory. And now I'm going to keep working. So before I enter into our third floor, I still need to show you our second floor. Although it's empty, I keep saying that our factory is really large and we will finish moving all the production lines at the end at the end of 2020. So our factory is too large. I have to take the elevator to go upstairs. But before I go, when I entering our elevator, I have to check if the microphone works, if the network works. And now I'm going to entering the elevator. So we are going to take you guys to our each floor to have a real look. But I keep saying that our factory is still under construction and we haven't moving all the equipment and production lines so far. But let's just have a quick look because this is our second floor and second floor is really large. When the whole floor is empty, you can totally figure out what's the real size about it. But if this floor is full of all the equipment, you can barely feel the size. Okay, so how do you think about our factory? If you feel interested, please remember to email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn. And you can also come to our factory by yourself, maybe in the coming next years. But now I'm going to take you to the upper floor. Okay, so let's get inside. Now I'm going to check our third floor. Our third floor is the finished floor and filled with all the production lines. And I told you this is just a planetary mixer building. And our spiral mixer building is still under construction. And I think we will probably finish all moving by the end of this year, by the end of 2020. Let's just have a quick look about this production line. This is our gear construction planetary mixer. And our workers are working here hardly. So I will cross this area. I have to tell you that each line for one time can be put with 50 units of planetary mixers. As you can see, this is also the planetary mixers which are assembled. And this is the finished parts, the totally finished parts of these products. And you can also see the production lines here. These are the finished with the whole package models here. And this is our this is our belt construction planetary mixer. So this is our quality control team. They must make sure the quality of each product are excellent enough to be packaged. And let's check to my left side. As you can see here, this is our other model of the planetary mixer. And our workers here are trying to adjusting the spare parts. And this is our, I guess it's like 60 or 80 liter of planetary mixer. This is belt construction. It is really large. As you can compare me, my height to this model's height is really heavy duty one. And if you feel interested about our products, please remember us, kitchen@goldenchef.cn, kitchen@goldenchef.cn. And I have to say we are special to do OEM for all of our customers from different countries. And you can see there are different colors here. We have the white models and we also have the civil models. If you feel interested about our products, please remember to email us. And we are the professional to do OEM for all the customers. And I will keep working to take you to check the warehouse, which the warehouse is special for the planetary mixer. So let's have a last quick look about our production lines. I have to say our daily output is 500 units of planetary mixers. 500 units of planetary mixers. Our workshop and our assembling area is really large, and we have so many production lines for you. And now I'm going to check about the finished package here. Just have a quick look. We have different standard of packing. The plywood box or the wood crate. And let's just turn around. There's so many units here. I have to say that our daily output of planetary mixer is 500 units. 500 units. We have the large capacity and ability to produce these models for you. So if you want to check out more details, please remember to email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn, kitchen@goldenchef.cn. And I hope my photographer maybe can turn around to have the quick look about the whole warehouse. Because our warehouse is really large, the whole area covers around 3,000 square meters. And you can see the mixing bowl here. And the cover are made by stainless steel. We produce these spare parts by ourselves. And you can see there's so many pallets here to cover the gear or the important spare parts. And on my left side is our packing foam. As you can see, this foam is special for our finished models, because except the high quality products, we also need to make sure the package of this model, because we want to make sure the 100% of these products, the quality or the service for you guys. And let's just have a quick look, the last quick look about our gears. And this warehouse is going to save these gears, and after we have the production line, we have the orders, we will take these gears to down floors. Oh, sorry, not for down floors, just for my left side, for the assembling workshop. And ta-da, our planetary mixer is just finished. And I will walk across this area. And hello friends, this is Lydia from Golden Chef Machinery. And I'm now taking you to go around our factory. I know it's a horrible time, the coronavirus situation affects all the business in the world. But now online Canton Fair can promise that you can have a quick look and basic understanding of our workshop. I have a last look about the warehouse. We produce 90% of the spare parts of each product by ourselves, so our customer don't have to worry too much about after-sales service. And now I'm going to walk downstairs to our showroom. Our showroom is set on the first floor. And the first floor is also special for our workshop to make and produce the spare parts. And now I'm still going to take you guys to the elevator. And my little friend, how do you think about our factory? If you feel interested, please remember to email us, and our email address is kitchen@goldenchef.cn. We are Golden Chef Machinery. We are very professional to produce and do OEM of different types of machines like the food processing machine and the vegetable processing or the meat processing products to our customers from different countries. And now I'm going to enter in the elevator and I have to check the work network here. Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Okay. My partner just told me that the microphone is totally fine. Hello? Okay. Okay. It's perfect. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys to our showroom now after we have a quick look about our factory. I guess our factory is really large. I'm not sure. I guess it will take about 30 minutes. Just work the first floor and the second floor and the third floor. Just for one building will take 30 minutes to walk around, but we totally have 7 buildings like this. And if you feel interested about our factory, please remember to email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn. And let's just have a last quick look about our first floor workshop. Our first floor workshop. Hello friends, this is Lydia from Golden Chef Machinery. Hello friends, we're back now to our live showroom. This is our showroom. Let's just have a quick look around about our showroom. We are the professional manufacturer to produce the product. As you can see here, we have the newest product of our, I guess it's 8-liter planetary mixer. 8-liter planetary mixer here. This is our newest product. If you feel interested, please remember to email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn. kitchen@goldenchef.cn. And remember that we are the professional manufacturer to produce the products for you guys. If you feel interested about our products, please remember to subscribe our YouTube channel here. And this is our Facebook account. As you know, online candle fair will last 10 days. And if we finish all the live shows, we will keep having you the more live shows on our Facebook account. So let's just talk about our topic today. So today I'm going to introduce you about our bread slicer. This is our bread slicer. As you can see, the whole civil model, actually this charging buffle here is going to put the bread inside. This is made by stainless steel. This is the charging buffle. To make sure you have to put the whole set of bread inside, and then this is the discharging buffle. You can see this is the curve shape to make sure the bread is slip on the surface and then stop here. This is also made by stainless steel, totally safe for food to contact. And we also have 2 rotary knob here. The rotary knob here, you can totally control it to make sure you want the base distance of your bread. The base distance of the bread. Or you can also adjust, loose the rotary knob and then move this buffle. And I still need to tell you that this buffle is also made by stainless steel. And now let's check the iron casting. The iron casting machine body here. As you can see, this is the civil color. I have to tell you that we are not only for the civil color, but we also have the white color. This is iron casting part of the machine body. And this iron casting machine part is coming from our first generation factory. We totally have 3 generation factory in Nantong City, and we also have an oven factory in Wuxi City. Except these 4 factories in Jiangsu province, we also have 2 factories in Guangzhou. If you feel interested about our products, please remember to email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn. Kitchen and Golden Chef.cn. And let's check these two adjustable discharging baffle. And for this model's name item code is AQ32, which means that we have totally 32 blades. 32 blades here. And for the model like this machine is going to cut the bread in slices. And this model is widely used for the school canteen or for the bakery shop. I guess after we use the food material inside, and we will have the afternoon tea later. And this knife here is really sharp. The knife here is really sharp. And for this model, each slice of the bread, the thickness of each slice of bread is 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter. Except the 12 millimeter size, we also have other size from 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. So this is just the customized thickness. If you feel interested about our product, or if you want the different sizes, different thickness of each bread, please remember to email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn. kitchen@goldenchef.cn. And for this model, I still have to remind that this is the automatic model. So if you want to have the manual one will the same design as this one. It will also have the handle here where you put the bread inside, and you just control the handle, and then the whole bread will get sliced and get through this discharging baffle. And as you can see that the whole machine is made by the stainless steel, especially for food contacting area. And this is iron casting machine body. We have the two rotary knobs here, just to control, to adjust the discharging baffle. And as you can see here, we also have two rotary knob here, just for you to just control the distance, the length of the bread. So if you want to have the smaller size, you just lose the rotary knob here and just move a little bit, and then these plates will get in the left side. And if you want your bread in larger size, you just move this. And for the left side, is also available to move, but I won't show you again. Just for this one, I guess you can totally understand. Remember that we are Golden Chef Machinery, and we are totally confident to do OEM for our customers from different countries. We can do OEM for customers from different countries. And for this model, this is our automatic one bread slicer. So if you want to have the manual one, you can also place your order with the manual requirement, and then this model will sit like the handle here. You can just control the handle, and then the bread will get sliced smoothly. And I also have to remind that this is our blade set. And let's come closer about the different size of blade set. As I keep telling you that we have different size of the thickness requirement, and I guess for this one you can see these two compare here. This size, the length, the thickness is larger than the right one, because for this model here, this is our knife set. For this model here is the largest thickness, 15 millimeter. I'm not sure if you can see clearly from the camera from your phone, but if you want to check out more details about our products, please remember to email us And for this one, this is the different size here. This is a different size here. This is the smaller size, and this is not the smallest one. This is 10 millimeter, which we can make sure the braid, each thickness of each slice of braid is 10 millimeter. So we accept the 10 millimeter size and the 15 millimeter size. Our standard one, which to match the standard model, is 12 millimeter, and we also have 9 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 11 millimeter, 12 and 15 millimeter. And let's just have a last quick look. I have to be careful, but I still want to show you that this is totally safe for food to contact the stainless steel material and the blade here. And the blade here is very sharp to make sure there are not too much crumbs after cutting this braid. And let's just have a last quick look about this blade. This is very sharp. Remember that when you use this machine, never put your hands inside these sharp blades, because this is very sharp. This is very sharp. It will hurt your hand. And my friend, after I show you this product, I want to show you the easy operation here. This is our control panel. On button and off button. The green on button and the red off button. Let's just have a quick look if we can open this machine easily. So check how this machine functions when I open it. So it's really easy to control, because when you just want to use this machine, you just press the green button here and the machine will get start. And if you want to stop it, just press the red one. Press the green to start, and you can see the whole machine body is really stable. The whole machine body is really stable. Because the iron casting machine body is really heavy duty. It's really heavy duty and running with low noise. You can see the sharp knife edge is cutting here. The sharp knife edge is cutting here. Just stop it and it will stop immediately. So it's very easy for the little workshop to control this machine. It's very easy and it's very convenient when you just want to change the length of the braid, just to adjust the rotary knob here, just to lose the rotary knobs here. There's 4 rotary knobs here in total, and if you want to control the whole length of the braid, you just control these rotary knobs here, and then just to move this baffle, and then the braid can be put here inside. And now, after I show you the easy operation of this machine body, I want to invite my dearest partner Tracy, about our product. But before I invite my partner, I need to change my microphone so we can have more communication here. So I'm going. Hello friends, can you hear me? Hello? Hello friends. Hello friends. This is me, Lydia.
Hello everyone. Hello Lydia. I'm Tracy. I'm so happy today to introduce the new product, our bread slicer, to everyone.
Hello Tracy. Thank you again. I just cooperate with you another time. So for this time, we're going to try this bread slicer. Have you seen this model before, like in the bakery shop or the restaurants?
Yes, actually, I also saw this bread slicer at the bakery shop, but it's the manual model, not the automatic. So today is the first time for me to use this the automatic model.
Okay, Tracy. So you observed your lives, or the the restaurants very carefully. You've just found this machine, but for me, it's not. It's also not the first time. But I never used this machine before. Have you been used this machine before?
Actually, I have few times for this, so today I can operate to and show to everyone.
Okay, so just for the just for the reminding, never to put your hands inside. This knife set is only for the bread to cut in slices, not for your hand. Okay, so we can see here have two handle here. So Tracy, could you please hold this handle, and I want to show how heavy duty of this model. 1, 2, 3, 8. Okay, so I can barely move it. I can barely move it. This machine body is really heavy duty one. And this is the iron casting machine body. Comes from our first generation factory. This color is silver, but we also have the white color one. So if for you, which color will you choose for the iron casting parts?
Actually, I like the light color. I will choose the whitest colors. Also,
Okay.
just now you talk about the handle.
Yes.
Before you come the live show, the live room, and then I saw two men. The big man, strong man, need two men to move
Okay,
this.
two men.
Yes, to move this breast slicer. So it is very heavy duty, very strong.
Yes. Yes, it's really heavy duty. But for me, Tracy, move it is not our mission, but we just want to show our customer it's really heavy duty. So today we are going to show the real operation of this model. So let's just, without putting in any food material, just open this machine, and I will check if you can use this machine correctly. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So Tracy, what's your first step?
First step, we need to connect the power first, right? Yes, already connect.
Okay.
So now we need to make sure. The first we need to make sure the breast length also match this adjuster, right? Now we can. Later we will show it, but now we already adjust this. Now we can go on the next step to press the green button.
Okay.
The green,
so camera, please come closer.
yeah, the green button is the start, and the red one
Just
is the stop.
Press it.
Yes.
Press it to show our customer.
Now already working, and then we can
Just
stop.
stop it.
Yes, red one is stop, and we can go the phone, and then you can see if the bread length is longer. We also need to adjust the knob. Yes, here it's very easy to adjust it, easy to lose. Now you can see, so also easy to lock it.
You need to change another way
Mm-hmm.
just to make sure.
Yes, right. So it is very easy to operate this product. Mm-hmm.
So let's just get started, okay?
Yes.
So we prepared. Just camera, you can come closer. We prepared two bread here. So today I'm going to use this machine to show you guys how we use this machine to cut bread in slices. But for me, Tracy is going to put the bread inside. I guess you need to take off the plastic cover firstly.
Yes, we need to match.
Okay,
Now.
Tracy is now going to match. Sorry, Tracy is here firstly going to adjust the two plate here, stainless steel plate here, to make sure the length is enough. The distance here is enough for the braid.
Yes, now.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I already red glues. Now we can measure this. The length left, the bread left is good match this length of the product. So later we can move this plastic, the package out, and then can put the bread inside. It's directly is okay.
Okay, so Tracy is going to take off the plastic cover firstly, because Tracy is going to put the bread here to make sure the distance here is enough for the bread length. So Tracy, you have take off the plastic cover, and then I guess Tracy is going to put the bread inside.
Also, our chef are very professional. Just make the right size, very correct size. Just put inside is okay.
Okay. So do you think we need to lose the knob a little bit to make the distance larger?
Yes.
Okay, so because I just showed our customers before, so maybe I just adjust it before.
Yes, you can show it again.
Okay, so I can show our customers again.
Mhm.
If the braid is the length is very large, make sure you have to adjust it to the bottom.
Yes. If left shorter than this one, also you can adjust this knob.
So I just lose it first and then
Mhm.
I fix it. Just make sure if you can
Yes.
put downside, then be careful, Tracy. Be careful to use your hand.
Mhm. Okay, already read it.
And Tracy, just remember, don't put your hand so close to the knife set. So once we open this machine, please open this machine, and I will. Oh, okay. You will use this plate to just
Yes.
catch it.
Because
So
our
this
table is not enough, so
Okay.
we need to.
Okay. So just if you need any help, please tell me. So what's your next step?
Next step, I need to press the green one and then can operate our machine now.
Okay. Okay, so now you can see the braid is get sliced perfectly in pieces.
Yes.
So, Tracy, this is our afternoon tea now. Are you sure it?
Yes, you can see we don't need to use any hands, just the machine operate finished it.
So I need to stop it. Just wait a second. I need to stop it. It's very easy to stop. Just press this red button here. And Tracy, I will help you to hold the plate. I will help you to hold the plate to show.
Thank you. It's
Oh,
easy.
sorry. It just touched my hand. And you can see the braid. All the braid have been cut it in slices perfectly. And check the beautiful shape. This machine is really functional. And let's just put on the top side. Please press it a little bit to show our camera. Sorry, let's put it on the table now. To show, so you can see. You can see, just take one piece out. Take one piece out, Tracy.
Just now, I have a quick to account our pieces of bread. The total is 31. 31 pieces. I remember Lydia before told me if our model is AQ32, and then we can cut the bread into 31 pieces, right?
Yes, yes, Tracy, you're so smart because 32, AQ32, the 32 number means that we have 32, like the blade.
Yes.
But for the inner side, the distance for each braid, we can totally cut 31 pieces of braid. So I will show our camera about the braid. This is really,
well balanced at each of bread.
so this is just for tomorrow's breakfast. It's totally fine, right?
Yes, you're right.
So show our camera. Just show a little bit, okay? So you can see these braids are all sliced in perfectly. So Tracy, how many seconds do you think, or how many minutes do you think we just use this machine to cut the whole braid?
Just now, maybe many friends already saw this. Just within one minute, I think just 30 seconds to 40 seconds. So very quick and high efficiency to operate our bread slicers.
Yes. Yes, this machine is really high efficient. Not only to show you the slices, the how quick it just take 1 minute or 40 seconds, 50 seconds to cut this bread in slices, but also each blade, each thickness of this bread is the same.
Yes.
So it's totally very high efficient model. It's very high efficient for the bakery shop. It's high efficient for the bakery shop. So just save so many time for the bakery shop to prepare this full material, right?
Yes. So also you can see is the same thickness of each bread, each side, each bread of size. So I wanna ask you, Lydia, if I wanna cut more bread, the Could you
More
help me?
slices?
Yes, more slices. Did you introduce more other specification to me?
Okay, so Tracy, you're such a girl love to eat more breads, right? Yes, because this machine is special for the pieces of 31 pieces of the bread, but we also have the larger size. The item code is AQ36. AQ36. If you feel interested about our products or the different size, please remember to email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn. So Tracy, I also have the question for you. As you want to have the larger size about this product, as I said, the item code is AQ36. Do you think how many pieces can that larger size machine cut?
Yes, yes, I know. Just now I say 32 is 31 basics. So if the model is 36, so the pieces is 35, right?
Yes, you are very clever because 36 means that we have 36 blades. We have 36 blades, and we also can cut the bread in 35 pieces. So Tracy, this model is the automatic one.
Yes.
But just imagine if we have the manual model, we just have the handle here, and you pull the handle, you control the handle. When you press the handle, the bread will get through and cut it in slices. So which model do you prefer, the automatic one or you want to have the manual one?
Sure, I don't want to use any energy for myself. I like the automatic one.
Yes.
So Lydia, our factory also produce two different models, the manual one and the automatic one.
Yes.
Okay, so I go on to asking you because just now I'm not here. So I want to ask you the blade and the whole body, the material. Could you tell me again?
Okay, so Tracy, you're just such a sweet girl for all our customers because this is also the important question for our customers, which they are really cared about.
Yes.
Because this material is totally for food to contact. But I have to tell all your customers this is totally safe for food to contact because the charging buffer here and the discharging buffer here is made by stainless steel. Stainless steel, and the machine body is iron casting, totally heavy duty. And you can see here, our knife set is really sharp and there are not too much crumbs at the bottom side because the knife is really sharp. It won't waste too much food material, right?
Yes, you're right. So I want to go on ask you, though a human or people sometimes we get sick. Machine is machines. I
Yes.
think after using a long time, maybe have something problems happen. So if that, could you introduce some easy broken spare part to us?
Okay, easy broken spare parts. Just I have to tell you that because as you can see, the most frequency used part is the knife set actually, right? Except the knife set, it's also the switch. So for our customers, we will provide you the knife set. We will suggest you the knife set and the switch here for the easily broken part. Easily broken parts are knife set and the switch here. But if you want to choose another size of the knife set, because for our standard match, the thickness of each blade is 12 millimeter, but there are two different sizes here. The left one is a larger size for 15 millimeter for each blade slice, but for the smaller size, we also have 10 millimeter here. So if you want to have different size, we also have 9, 10, 11, 12, and 15 millimeter for each bread slice. The each bread slice thickness can be set in 9, 10, 11, 12, or 15 millimeter.
Wow, so many different choice for our bread slicers. So I go on asking you, could you tell me the warranty for our bread slicer?
Okay, warranty. So Tracy, you're just such a sweet girl. You keep reminding
Yes.
me the most important question our customers keep caring about.
Yes.
So for the warranty, after usually we sell this machine and our warranty will be for 1 year. But actually, I have to tell you guys that you don't need to worry too much about our after-sales service because 90% of the spare parts are produced by ourselves. 90% of the spare parts are produced by ourselves, so we can totally control the quality of the whole machine body, So please, friends, if you feel interested about our products, please remember to scan or subscribe our YouTube channel here and our Facebook account. After the online Canto Fair, we will also keep having more live shows on our Facebook account, and we will also keep uploading more operation videos on our YouTube channel. So Tracy, let's just back to this machine. So do you think our customers will have more questions about this product?
Yes, actually, I still think our friends still want to ask the package for our breathalyzer because they don't know. Also, I don't know, so I want to know that.
Okay, so for the package, please don't worry because this machine is really heavy duty and the iron casting body is just the reason to make it very heavy duty. And we also have the copper model inside to make sure the long lifetime of each model. So for the package, we will use the whole the plywood box. So you don't need to worry too much about the package. So except this product, please remember that we are not only for this machine, but we also have the planetary mixer here. We had the newest product, the 8-liter planetary mixer, 8-liter planetary mixer. Remember that we are the professional manufacturer in China. We professional to do OEM for all the customers from different countries. If you want to have more customized products, please remember to email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn, kitchen@goldenchef.cn. So Tracy, do you want to check just more question about for our customers?
Yes, you means the product our breathalyzers. Maybe we can make to show our friends again how to operate it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Tracy, you're such a sweet girl. So we still have another break prepared here before, but just to avoid some customers come later into our showroom. So for this model, I still want to show you again about the operation here. So Tracy, just take off the plastic cover here first, and then Tracy is still going to adjust the length of the braid.
Also, just a good size.
Okay.
Correct size. So we don't need to adjust our knob. Now is the correct size. So we can start. Put the braid inside. Don't hurt your hand.
Yes, warning.
Okay, already finished.
Okay, Tracy, just put the braid. Just put the braid inside, and then Tracy is going to start this machine body. And Tracy is very easy to operate. Just press the green button. Just press the green button here, and then the braid can be cut in slices in the short time. Tick tock, I guess Tracy just told us it only takes 50 seconds. So I just press the stop button.
Yes,
Already finished in perfect slices. Tracy, I need to help you. I know it's very heavy.
Yeah.
Because this is the normal size of our model. This machine can cut to the largest extent to cut 31 pieces of braid. But if we want to choose the larger size, we also have the larger size model for AQ36, which can cut 35 pieces.
Yes.
35 pieces. So guys, how do you think about our products? How do you think about the finishing slice of braid of the machine? This machine is widely used in the bakery shop or the little restaurant or the school canteen. So there's so many pieces of the bread here. We can totally finish our afternoon tea or our tomorrow's breakfast. Tracy, thank you again to join my live broadcasting.
Thank you, Lydia. Thank you. Let me operate our breathalyzer again. Also, thank you. I think later I still have the afternoon tea bread to eat. So, Lydia, I still want to ask you because many friends, I think they will confident and also interested in our product. If they leave any comment about us, how to contact with us?
Okay, so if they leave the content in the content, yes, if they leave the comment in the content area, as the Canton Fair is very special for the online shows, please remember to email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn. kitchen@goldenchef.cn. So just have a last quick look about our product. We are a very professional manufacturer to OEM for the customers from different countries. And we are Golden Chef Machinery. If you want to check more details, please email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn. And in the next few days, we will also have the last several live shows. And please remember to follow our accounts, following our live shows. And if you want to check out more details, please remember to email us kitchen@goldenchef.cn. Now it's time to say goodbye, Tracy. Tracy, I'm just very excited to finish this live show. So just say bye to our customer.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye bye.